Welcome to my channel Living Linux. I think that the PlayStation 5 shortage is almost over, and in my case I pre-ordered, I think it was early December from Amazon Germany, and I received it last week. And I think nowadays it's much easier to buy a PlayStation 5. Sometimes it means that you need to buy an expensive pack, like a couple of games, a controller, a charger, but I think, let's just say, if you're really in a hurry, then you can buy a complete pack for the same price as the scalpers will try to sell you a standalone PlayStation 5. So let's start the unboxing. So I bought the PlayStation 5 with the game God of War Ragnarok, and it's the disc edition, and unfortunately the game God of War is not the physical copy, it's just a voucher with a download code. And so here we have the model number, CFI 1216A. So what I read on the internet is that this PlayStation 5 with the 12 series, that it has the die shrink from 7 nanometers to 6 nanometers, and that Sony also could make the cooler solution a bit lighter and smaller, because die shrink, normally that means that it's also more energy efficient. It's still gonna draw a lot of energy, but it will be a little bit more power efficient. So there's two stickers that I cut. Here was the other one. So now it's just a white box. Let's see. So it says, oops, lift this, okay. Okay, so here's just the voucher for the game. There's a power cable. And here we have a controller. White controller. Some documentation that probably no one ever reads. And okay, let's take this out. Oh, almost forgot. There's one more pocket, and that's the USB-C charging cable for the controller. And there's another thing. So here we have HDMI cable. And here is the stand. So this is the stand. Okay, so the PlayStation 5 is still in the box, so now we take it out. It's big and heavy. Okay, so this is the back side. So there's the power, HDMI, Ethernet, two USB ports. Perhaps this is, well, I don't know. But if I have to guess, a Kensington lock, but perhaps it's something else, I don't know. So here you can see the PlayStation logo. This is the front with the drive, and there's, I think, another USB port. Yes, this is the USB-C port. Let's see if that one goes in. Yes, it does. That's USB-C. And there's like two buttons. So I think I might have to read the documentation anyway to know how to set up the stand. So I'll be back after the break. Okay, so I've read the documentation, and I think the stand comes in this position, and I think for vertical you have to switch it like this, but I'm going to try with the horizontal. So it has to be like this, and I'm not really sure if this is visible, but here are some markings of the PlayStation buttons, and then you have to align them like this. Okay, so looks like this, and now I should be able to put it in the horizontal position, and that means that the drive is here. So I hope that all my PlayStation 4 games are backwards compatible on the PlayStation 5, and that would mean that I can free up the PlayStation 4 and try to install Linux on it. So in the description I will leave some links to some sources that will explain how you can install Linux on a PlayStation 4. But first I want to have some fun with the PlayStation 5 with the game God of War, so yeah, it might take a while before I'm actually going to install Linux on the PlayStation 4, and I also need to read up on how to get my save games from the PlayStation 4 to the PlayStation 5. So that's all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.